guys, if you're getting a warning, or maybe this is not working because the battery's out, well, whatever you guys saw, battery warning on your car or anything like that, to take out the battery, it's very easy. First of all, you guys have to take out the key. So take out the key. On the side, you will see this. So again, on the side, see this? Press on it, that's a button, and then just take this out like so. So that's your key. So that's how you guys can take out the key. It's important to take out the key because the key will help you open this up. So to open this up, it's actually extremely easy. All you have to do is just apply some pressure. And once you apply that pressure, that's just to snap this out. You could do it just with your fingers, by the way. But this will help you apply that pressure so you can lift this up. It's gonna pop open, and there's your battery. So that's how your battery looks like. So the battery that comes pre-installed is this one. You don't have to buy the exact same brand. It could be a different, completely different brand. Does not have to be this one, but you could replace with the same one. So it's a CR2450, 3 volt. What I found was just an Energizer one, same number. So we're gonna replace it with that. So that's the battery you guys need to replace it with. So here's our replacement battery. All we have to do is just take this one out. You just lift it up. It's that easy. And then just place the other one in here. It's going to tell you the plus sign. It's supposed to be outwards, plus sign. And that's it. It's actually that easy. Just put this back together by just pressing on it. You guys are going to hear that clipping sound. And you're all set. Just put your key back in there. And you're all done. Now it should be 100% of your battery. And you should be good to go. And if your key looks slightly different than this, it's still gonna be the exact same process actually. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can return in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.